Hello everyone, my name is Vaibhav Vilas Salmani and today's date is 11 July 2024 and today's topic what is JDK, JRE and JVM in order to understand JDK, JRE and JVM you need to first understand each and every terms and JDK stands for Java Development Kit and JRE stands for JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment and JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. In Java Development Kits two part Java Virtual Machine and development tools. In development tools, Java C, Java Docs, Java C, Java Docs, Java W, Java, etc. And Java Runtime Environment. In Java Runtime Environment, JVM and Java class packages and runtime libraries and runtime libraries in JVM the class loader and execution engine memory areas JDK means JRE contains everything required to run Java applications with the already been compiled and it doesn't contain the code library required to develop by applications and JRE contains everything required to run Java applications which has already been compiled. It doesn't contain the code library required to develop Java applications. And in JVM is a virtual machine which works on top of your operating system to provide recommended environment of your compiled Java code and Java files save dot Java extension which convert to class loader convert to dot class extension and load in class loader load files class loader and JVM only works with bytecode and hence you need to compile your Java applications so that it can be converted to bytecode and and format also known as the dot class file which then will be used by Java virtual machine to run an application. Java virtual machine only provide the environment needed to extended Java bytecode and JDK is JDK is JDK is provide JRE and JVM development Java development kit, and JRE means Java runtime environment provide to compile code, provide compile code runtime environment.